Hey boys, it's back again, Turkeylands! But I changed the track around quite a lot, so there's new jumps. I'm just gonna go grab a Mackey's quickly, cheeky little Mackey's brekkie, and we're gonna send some bikes. By the way, if you get anything other than a double sausage and egg McMuffin in a McDonald's breakfast, what the fuck are you doing with your life? Should be a lot of fun today, hopefully. Or tears. Sharing my bike with a lad called Grant as well. He's alright on a bike. Oh, here she is, sports fans. Look at that Turkeylands logo and everything. Big Tomo. What is he doing? How is he going to get his bike out there? What are you doing, you fucking little hermaphrodite? So ladies, chewy like. Josh has hemorrhoids. Got a big H there. Alright there, yes sir. Full factory today, we got the 20 litre. Excuse me mate. I'm just curious, have you ever actually shown up to an event and not had to fix something? You horrible man. Talk about leaving at last minute, fella. Come on. What happened to you?
Got here and it had a flat like.
That's not handy, mate. Why'd you do that? About to go out, about to get ripping. Grant's just come in, he said he loved the bike. If he thinks it rides well, then it's gonna have to ride well. You ready to rumble, bitches? You tighten these boots. We've got a few drops of rain coming down, which is actually gonna be a bit better, I reckon. That track at the minute is so dry. Oh, fucking hell, I can't get on this bike with my new kit. I don't have the flexibility. Ah, there we go. I'm so thirsty already, and we're not even started, but we've been sat here for time. Oh, that rear brake is sharp now because Grant's warmed that up. Oh, tap my rear brake. Fuck me, fucking roosted the shit, man. Right, I need to speed up. I'm going slow as shit here. Trying to get around this little girl, she's quicker than me. I don't know how I kept that up. Right, I'm going to take this inside bit for once in my miserable little life. Whoa! Fucking hell. He turned around there, he's like, what the fuck? Oh, I'm pretty disappointed with that, to be honest. Fucking did awful out there. How'd you find that, big boy? Don't know what was going on with that lap, but that felt awful for me. Like, all these boys loved it. I think I was trying to push it a bit too hard because I kept getting overtaken by girls, so trying to push a bit harder than I needed to, and it was just making me make mistakes. So I always say it, but I'll try and take it a bit easier on this one. But whether that happens or not, we'll fucking find out, won't we? Get ahead on him. Go on, say something. What's your 3 words to the world? Always thinking about it. If it don't flow. You're like an eBay Colin McRae, like. What are you doing? You're doing that stuff. Oh, fuck. Just twatting my rear brake. Get off that rear brake, young man. Oh, go on, Brandon, lad. Oh, trying to not just whack on the throttle coming out of the corners. That's where I'm going wrong, I think. Let's try this inside because I've not even tried it yet. Yeah, definitely quicker this time. Get out the way, Sam! I don't know if you heard me there, like, but you got out of the way. Don't bruise me! Ah! Fucking hell, boy! If I didn't pull out my brakes then, I would have hit his rear wheel. Oh, I actually didn't want to come in on that one. I was enjoying that. Oh! No riding in the paddock! This dust is awful. Everyone's flicking all the dust up. It's getting proper dry. Spectators are just chilling with goggles on. Alright. I want Callum to go in front. There's so many people in this group, it's ridiculous. Fucking hell, boys. Fucking hell. Oh my god, that's thrown me right off. Oh. You right, mate? No bother. You're alright, mate. It's alright, it's good content, lad. Fucking hell. Hey, you alright? I got it on video. Oh, getting there. Fuck's sake. Yeah, I'm good, mate. I need a new seat now. Okay, now I just ripped my seat wide open. Oh well, at least it's YouTube content, eh? Fucking hell, it's thrown me right off that. Lewis, I'm coming for you! Louie, 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 Louie! Fuck's sake, I thought I was coming for him. I was getting cocky. Oh, my arm's a bit sore now. Right, please, no one hit me. I'm so scared of this corner now. Oh, man down. Go on, Lewis! Fucking hell! So there we have it, sports fans. Another day done and dusted. Quite literally dusted. That was ridiculous out there. I see why they cancel events when it's too dusty, because that was just mental. Brilliant day once again. Thank you to all the organisers. They've obviously put a lot of work into all this just so we can have a little ride about. Also a little reminder, yeses, I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. So if you want to subscribe, that'd be lovely. I'll catch you on the next one.